Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken patties and I am going to show you the ingredients, what I am going to use today for the patties. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, share, comment. So I am going to show you the ingredients. That is, I have taken 250 grams minced chicken, 2 big onions chopped up little bit fine, garlic chopped up, ginger chopped up, chilies chopped up, salt to taste, meat masala and some garam masala. And for the dough, I have taken 1 bowl of maida and 1 bowl of atta, and I have already mixed the dough and kept it for a while. That I will need for the patties. Chili powder, saffron, which I will mix in the stuffing of the patties, and the stuffing is going to be made by the chicken and the ingredients whatever is been seeing over here. So come on, let us start the recipe right now. I'll put in some mustard oil to make the stuffing for the patties. Put the ginger, put the garlic, now put in the onions, put in the chopped chilies, let the onions fry till golden brown. Now I'll add the minced chicken, put some salt, put some saffron, put some chili powder, put the meat masala, put the garam masala, put little bit of water, cover it up and let it fry. Chicken stuffing is ready for the patties. Now I'll keep it aside. Now the dough which I kept over here, this dough, I'm going to make the balls and roll it out. Now I'll make the balls. This size I will make the balls. I made the balls, now I will roll them. This type I will roll them. Now I'll put the stuffing like this. I will do the stuffing of the patties this type. Put water one side of the rolled chapati this type and then press it down. Press it down. This type patties. Now I will put in the refined oil, fortune oil, to fry the patties. I've stuffed all the patties in this shape. You can see it. Now I'm going to fry this when the oil turns hot. Oil is turned nice and hot. Now I'm going to put in the patties. Now I will take out the patties because my patties are turned brown. See how nice it's looking? Crispy, delicious to eat. A tasty, delicious patty is ready to be eaten. How nice it's looking. Very, very appetizing and tasty also.